Good morning, all my woodworking friends here. This is Doe and Blair with Splinters to Planks. Just wanted to do this video. I'm sitting out here at my buddy's lake house on Lake Livingston, just looking around and thinking, about 2022 that happened and 2023 that's coming along, and just things that I can change and things that I can do. And, one of the things that came to my mind was, I know a lot of you guys via Instagram, but I don't know a lot of you guys and gals any other way. I wanted to see if there was any interest in anybody just getting together on a live stream maybe and just talking through, woodworking and what issues you guys have had over the last couple years, how to do some things. Maybe make this a quarterly type thing and just get some different people out there. I mean, I have the expertise. No, I wouldn't call it expertise. I'm definitely no expert, but I think I have the knowledge on how we can do it. But I just wanted to see if there's any interest out there of anybody that wanted to do it. If so, just comment down here, and maybe in the new year we can set something up and see what we can do. Just a little live stream Q&A. Maybe we get some other people to join in. We can do it on YouTube. We can do it on Instagram. Instagram's not really the best one, but we can figure something out. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested. Have a good year.